Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kurt Freeman and I'm here in Vienna, the city in Austria, and this is my first time in Vienna, and we are walking through the city to a particular place where we have to be, and I just want to show you around what this city looks like walking. This is very different from what we used to have back in India. What is this? Vinny, this? Hey, Jan, see no? You have two, what do you call two steering wheels? Nice, I haven't seen this before. This is very interesting. So, can we ride this or what? Are these for rent or what? Sudip? Are these for rent or what? Alright. So I'm not sure what we're going to find. It's 40 to 45 minutes long. There will be no cuts, no intervals, just like it is. And I don't know what ball is that. It's a giant ball. Something. Oh, kykhied. What is that?
No idea.
Okay.
Children will all play.
Maybe. It looks like a park. Looks like a park to me.
Come here, guys.
And yeah. So we're going through, I don't know what cage is this. Looks like an amusement park.
Demonium.
Maybe.
Demonium.
Um,
Demonium.
I hope I don't run out of space. I don't run out of memory on this one. So that we will reach. Oh, where are we heading? You? Now? Jan? Kalprats. So it's a home base for the Vienna Festival. And wow, look at that. Nice. Ooh, this is good. Hey,
Yeah.
we should sit on that, yeah, and see. Yeah, hey, how about trying that, yeah?
No, it's the sloping and whole city we have seen from up. It's
But-
looking to the city, like eyeball.
Also,
London Eye and everything, no?
okay, so it doesn't go.
No, it's only for viewing the city. Slowly.
So they don't speed this thing up or what?
No.
It's just there, slowly.
It started from London, no? It was called London Eye.
Oh,
Like
and this
giant
is
wheel.
Vienna, huh?
Yeah, kind of that.
Okay.
Giant wheel.
Giant wheel. No, I
The
thought.
Vienna city from up.
Okay, no, I thought. Oh, so basically, yeah, it's just for people to stand, sit, take a picture, and all that.
And that we
Okay.
have seen from this thing, na? All the.
Oh, yeah. So this is an amusement park. What does this amusement park called? You know?
No,
Yes, yeah, I know.
That's Grand Water Citizen.
All right. But
Let me
this
tell you
is
what
a big
It's
giant
here in
wheel,
London,
man.
no?
Look at this. What? Yes. Here, this is another souvenir shop, no?
Yeah, souvenir
Prater.
shop.
This is called Prater Amusement Park.
Platter.
Prater.
Prater. Still very difficult to pronounce these words here.
This is the worst thing I hate. It's
The what?
The Madame Tussauds.
Madam, what?
Tussauds.
Tussauds.
Madame Tussauds.
What is that?
Wax,
wax artist, no?
museum where they make the replica of the artists like Shah Rukh Khan.
Oh yeah. Where is that?
This is Madame Tussauds.
Oh, Madam Tussauds. Oh yeah. Okay. So have you gone inside?
Yeah, in London it's I didn't like it.
I think there.
I don't want to
Other
see
places,
a person in wax
Yeah.
just to pay
But-
for 5-10 euros and watch them.
But it is something for people. So for some die-hard fans, if they can see, a replica of their person they like, I think it's something. But oh my goodness, look, the kids, man! For God's sake, that's a whatever you call it, that spinning swing. But kids are using it, la jod. It's so scary, huh? So that way goes to the amusement park, and there are a lot of things happening there. I did a vlog entirely on the roller coaster. We sat. My cap flew. I couldn't get it back because of giant here.
$200 one?
Yeah, hey, don't say that. I got it.
It's a 200 bucks.
It's 200.
Euro.
but not 200 euros, 200 rupees. I bought it from India. Yeah, INR, which is 2 pounds. So this is very, comparatively, it's very cheap. So I mean, you
look like the 2001 man.
right. No. And these guys, I told them to guess the cost of the cap, and they said 2,000, 3,000. Jacqueline said 3,000. So I know what my cap worth, but we'll have to wait. It's red, man. Okay. So right now the time is what time is it? What time is it?
7:28.
7:28, and the sun's still up. Usually the sun here sets at around 9.
8:39.
Yeah, 8:30, 9 p.m. And we have a very, very, very long day. So right from 5.
Well, in
5:30.
summer, in winter we don't see the sun.
Oh, like that.
1 hour, 2 hours, that's it.
I haven't been here yet.
Sometimes only 2 hours.
Hana.
See the sun, yeah. It's frustrating sometimes for the people out here.
So and how long does that stays?
What?
The winter.
3 months. Oh, the winter is for 6 months.
Yep.
Let's go.
Okay.
The winter is for 6 months.
All right.
But the period that goes with the sun thing is 2
Uh-huh.
and a half, 3 months.
Okay. Interesting.
And this daytime thing is for 2.5 months.
Okay.
And the biggest day it will start in the month of July, around 10th or 15th of July,
Okay, I
where
see.
the whole day won't be, there won't be any night.
Mm.
Whole day it will be sun 24 hours.
What is that? Oh, mosquitoes. Oh, bruh.
In Norway, you will basically see sun the whole time during the summer.
One month, 2 months only sun,
Mm-hmm.
and 3 months no sun.
And in Germany, Austria, they always have time change also, like
Yeah.
working time.
Okay.
Sometimes
No, it's
like,
everywhere in the Europe, London also, UK also.
Okay.
They
So they
change
shift the timing.
1 hour in UK.
Yeah, here's 2 hours, I guess,
How?
because of the sunrise
sun?
and the sunset.
Okay. All right.
Basically, they change the time.
Yeah, we
So-
have to adjust
so-
according to that.
So which means during winter they have another different
Time,
timing.
yeah.
In winter,
Summer having-
if Austria is having at present 3.5 hours difference from India,
Uh-huh.
in winter it will be 4.5 or 5.5
I
hours.
see. Look at the buildings, man. Look at this architecture. Wow. Do good, brother. Do good. See? Wow. Look at the balcony. Yeah. Just imagine a lady with flowery dress standing there with the wind blowing, and then
You thought something else, man.
No,
But you're
I'm
telling something else.
I am not thinking anything. I'm just trying to imagine more like a movie. A scene from
No, there are a lot of type of movie, na? Which movie?
Dude, please, yeah, please. But but I like the fact that they have all of them have designs.
These are all traditional buildings. Old
Exactly, and none of them are the same or even similar. They have their own designs, own color, and none of the buildings are just just simple building that we usually see in India. Now this is a park. Everywhere you go, you see parks and parks and parks, and people are just here having fun, especially on a day like today, which is a Sunday. And cars, my goodness. Ani kali those. Look at the cars and look at the bikes, bro. Look at the bikes. Look at this bike. Look at this bike, dude. Look at the bike. What? Oh my. Oh me. Ooh, shnyam. That is one good looking bike. And I believe that's a custom bike right there. And I'm in love with the cars. And it's like all of these cars I do not know the name of, except for the BMW, which whatever model this is. I'm not a car guy, but I like these cars here, and they look good. Leonard.
This must be there in Shillong also in the
Which
park
one?
and all.
What?
Like this type.
Oh yeah, man.
For every children.
Yes.
Just let it go
Okay, they
so
should.
that they learn.
And these are the stuff that you can actually donate, no? You? Hey, Jan.
Huh?
These?
No, these are dustbins, man.
Oh, dustbin. Well, I thought you.
Bottles and everything, different things.
Okay, I thought.
Yeah, all the dustbins with different things, huh?
Okay. Oh boy, what happened to this person? Is he high? What? Is he okay?
Enjoying the Sunday, yeah.
Okay, he's perfectly fine. He has reached the what do you call the
The best level.
yeah, the best level in life. It's like peak, the highest level of things. Where?
Yeah.
Where's Mini Cooper?
Just
Oh,
there.
yeah, no?
Maruti 800 here.
Yeah, man. And look at the cars, bro. Look at the cars.
Some man.
My goodness.
Avenger.
Oh, dude. And that's a scooter. Wow. Oh yeah. Still walk. Look at the kids. Oh, Lambo. There's a Lambo. Dude. Holy. Oi, banga. Ani. This side the doors. My goodness. It's something else for us, man. This is very, very different from what we usually see. And this is good. Let's take a walk in Vienna. This is what you'll find.
Just we
Wow.
see the Latin club, then we have to walk that
Phones,
side.
phones. Take some
Opposite
phones.
side.
Buy some phones, man. There. Parle-G. You get Parle-G here. See Parle-G.
Britannia, man.
Yeah, exactly.
Rusk and Britannia.
You can get all these.
Indian brand.
But these are Indian brands,
It's a
everything.
Indian thing only, man, or in the store.
Yeah, this
You have rice and milk.
Oh,
is typical Indian store.
yeah, Indian store. I was shocked to see Parle-G.
Just close it
in-
now. Just close it now.
Why?
Just close it, yeah.
No, this is a one-shot thing. If you want to say anything, say it.
Arre, we are just
Tell-
we'll walk, na.
Yeah, exactly. I'm taking a walk with the camera. I'm showing people what it is like to take a walk in Vienna. Yeah. Why you want to say anything?
No.
You don't want people to hear? Okay, so let me introduce you. This is Giant.
Giant, truly a giant.
He is from Brnihat, and he has a business there.
Salon. This is Tractor Salon.
Okay, I'm not showing anything. I'm just showing this building over there. Oh, over there. That's all. Yeah, that's all. So yeah, all of this that you are seeing is nice. Look at all these things. Look at all these things. Look at all these things. Giant is nowhere to be found. I'm trying to introduce Giant, but Giant is nowhere to be found. Okay, so this is not the way that we are going, but we're going to other places. I'm not sure what that place is. Where's Giant? He just disappeared. Yeah, I was trying to introduce him. Where's Giant? Where's Giant?
This is a department.
Oh yeah, Giant is back. Hi Giant. Can
Hi.
you tell us a little bit about you and your business?
There's nothing, it was closed door.
Yeah, no, tell us a little bit about yourself and the business that you have.
Maybe later on.
Maybe later on. Okay, no problem. We have Sudeep here. Sudeep is also from, he's from Garo Hills. And
It's a Japanese restaurant, Paje.
and he has a business which is called e-commerce buddy. Yeah, e-commerce buddy, and he's an inspiring entrepreneur, and he's here for some time now in Vienna to explore all the the startup ecosystem that is here in Vienna. So what do we have here? These are nicotine pouch where you can just buy your cigarettes, your nicotine pills and everything in whatever price that is. They're just vending machines, which is very cool. And you have all these phones, and what else? You see buses. There are buses. Okay. There are cars like these. Oh, what bike is that? No, that it is a scooter, man. That's a scooter, bro. Ani, that's a modified scooter. That's a PIM, my right wala scooter. Now where are we heading?
Car
Which
park.
direction? Just straight up. We have Carlsbad's. Ooh, Mercedes! Look at that! Come on! Run! Okay, honey, it's already almost 8 now, and still sun is about to set. And this place is, what is this place, Jen?
Less, something like that.
Alright, we were here in the morning. We were here in this building.
Wait, that's
Um,
a cycle lane.
Oh, sorry, cycle lane. Do not walk by mistake on the cycle lane. See, there are people riding their bike, and there are also people walking. So just stay on your lane. Nobody will bother you. If you want to step into the cycle lane, bicycle lane, you need a bicycle. If not, then you will be shown by the bicycle. I lost my cap, yeah. Flop show la.
Again and again.
Yeah, man, because I wore it today only. Okay, I brought it from Shillong, not to wear anywhere else, but only in Vienna. And today was the first day I put on that cap, and
you
dude,
lost it.
I lost it. My 200
Not a lucky
rupees.
day.
200 bucks.
And not a lucky cap.
Yeah, man, 200 rupees. कहाँ से मिलेगा? €2, man.
Not a lucky cap, not a lucky day.
Yeah, that's what. But anyway, I got a very good shot of the roller coaster. If you want to check it out, go to my YouTube channel and then see what I got to record on the thing roller coaster. Oh, look at the cars! Oh, sweet. This is a walking city where people usually walk or in bikes or e-bikes and bicycle, but mostly people walk. That's why you have all the parks and all the pavements and all that. So I believe people who are using cars here are people who would go to places which is a little far from the city, or maybe has to get from one point to the other, which is a bit, quite a distance. But if it's at a walking distance, you will have here. Oh my goodness! Look at that car. Hey, kadei car, Cadillac. Whoa! That is a Mustang, man. A Mustang. That's a Mustang. That's a Mustang, bro. That's a Mustang. Wait. Is it a Mustang? I don't know what that is, but it looks good. I'm gonna take it in my phone too. But it just left. Oh boy. That's okay. That's completely okay. See, I like that car. So, are we waiting for signal?
Ada dia berangkam kerja, ada kerja, no?
Du darfst nicht filmen auf der Straße, okay?
Na, gaya dam to. Katu kamay iba.
Of what?
Parang video.
Of girls? Oh, Lee. My bad. I was.
Here in Europe,
Yeah.
You cannot take without their
we have seen
consent.
a lot of events. They accept they ask you to accept the
Yes.
video photo.
Yes. My bad. I was pointing the camera on the opposite direction. I should be pointing at mine. I like this bike. What bike is this? Oh, it's just a souvenir. Somebody must have left it here. It has maybe a kind of sentimental value to somebody, maybe to the people here. I'm not sure. So, yep, let's take a walk. Point the camera towards Giant. Towards Giant only. Yeah. So, it's still quite a distance away from here.
Right side.
And here, Ajaf. I didn't know she was talking to me like that girl. Had she talked, I would say, sorry, my bad. And how did he say sorry in German, in Austria?
That I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
Oh my goodness. So how you say danke for?
Sorry, man. Sorry.
Danke here for? Thank you. Danke. All right. Oh, look at that. Oh, nice. Yeah, so that is something very important that you need to know. If you're filming here, you need to film yourself. Do not film anybody else without consent, except for a closed event, except for an exclusive event that you have. But all of that needs to be done very in a very proper way. Do not do it in a way that will hurt the sentiments of people, because people are very privacy concerned here, and not just in Austria but in other parts of Europe also. These are police cars right here, and this is a lane, maybe this is a bus lane or something. U-Bahn. So we are going to look at this. I like the fact that here the city, it has both this modern structure and the old structure also. Huh? Nah. But both are, they kind of make the architecture.
New companies are like opting for this kind of building.
Yes.
Established.
This is the tram station right there, and maybe this is the main thing here. So how do we walk now from here? Is this a walking zone or something, Zayan? What if a tram just come and then hit us in the bum? All right. Okay. Let's go. We have a lot of parks, a lot of places for people to sit around and then have fun, chill in the evening. And maybe during summer, I think, Jan, I think maybe later in summer they'll have even longer days, maybe till about August or something.
Yeah, in July.
In July.
There's a few days where they don't see the sunset.
Oh, like that. And it continues to just getting sunlight over and over again. More like that.
For some 3, 4, 5 days.
I don't know what monument is that, but it looks interesting.
And in Norway, the worst.
Okay.
In some months,
1
or 2 months,
Uh-huh.
they don't see the night thing,
Okay.
only daylight.
Okay.
And in winters, they don't see sun for 3 months, something like that.
Okay.
I had a classmate with me from Norway.
Mm-hmm.
And he used to tell us everything.
Why are you stepping on the grass? Why are you stepping on the grass? Show ke bus. Show ke bus.
That's the reason why.
That's why I asked earlier, Jayan, is this a walking wala zone or what? Where?
We have to cross from Cobra Crossing.
Where is Cobra? There. Oh dear, look at those vehicles, man. Look at that. Whew. Ani, take singin tay. My goodness, yeah. Oh wow. That's why it's very difficult for us or for anybody to come here if you do not know the routes. For the first time, maybe for the first few days, but when you stay a little bit longer, you tend to get to know a lot of these things happening.
€1 store.
And happening in a sense with the directions and all that, but you'll have to learn though, take the help of Google Maps and a few translations. That a nice car, that is a nice car. I like that car. I like that car.
€1 store.
What is that? Ticket off. That is a monument. It's a very nice monument. I don't know what monument is that, but yep. Let's go. We can walk. Oi, what's up? €1? Okay.
€1 store.
Oh, okay. €1 store. Nice. I think we can find a lot of EU souvenirs from there, yeah?
I don't know, it's closed or open. Just check it.
You want to check? Let's check.
We can come here, no?
So
No, online also.
there are a lot of places. There are a lot of places here that has offers of different kinds, like the €1 store, like this one.
That from there or from here?
Oh, keychains and all that. We have all these things here, no? So nice. Okay.
It's closed.
That's close. It is a Sunday. It's a Sunday. Most of these you are closed.
We will come. We have to come here.
Yeah.
We can get all these. We can get all this.
It's called €1, but everything is not.
Check no if it is. No, yeah. No. It's
Everything only called €1.
yeah.
And Saturday 9 to 5.
Oh, that's the sun. On my face. Get sun on my face.
Same like that.
Ni bang balik sini. The sun setting. This is Vienna. This is Vienna. Oh. Teh, baba Jeff ismo kuno jingiaidlynti ki jongi mtas ni.
Man, good to see the city. See the light.
So how do you like the city so far?
I love the city.
Okay.
It's so different than what I expected.
Yeah. And I thought that the city is small. I thought maybe could be somewhere like the size of Shillong maybe, but it's bigger than Shillong, man. Bigger than Shillong. What do you think?
Way bigger.
Yeah, it's like Guwahati maybe.
Yes. So somewhere like Guwahati, somewhere the size of Guwahati. Yeah, Guwahati. But it's all of this is at a walking distance, and there are a lot of places which is. Everywhere you look, you'll have something to look at. There's something different, something very very nice to so many things. These are phone booths which you can call home in case of an emergency maybe. And there's bicycles, bikes everywhere. The people just take a bike and then just go to places, hotels and all that. Oh boy. Now what? How much longer do we have to reach? I am not sure. Maybe in another 30 minutes. So in Indian time, now it's already 11:22. 11:30, almost 11:30. There is around 3.5 hours difference from India and then from India and Austria. Yeah.
Smell is so good. The food, kebab and or whatever. And this book plate.
How much is it?
Plate. Huh?
How much is it?
€9, €10, €8.
Oh, nice, yeah.
Two people
Nice.
there selling
And
it.
these shoes? These are second-hand shoes or what? Okay. Interesting. Should I buy some shoes for my wife? No, my wife would like something like these. My goodness. Are these on my budget? No, except for the mannequin. There are a lot of hotels here. Maybe
Hotel Wayne.
kani magdi jaka ba song babun ki hotel ki way
You were
It's a
searching
classic
this type
hotel.
of hotels.
It's a
what?
classic hotel.
This time what was you were searching?
Who?
You.
Or me. No, not this one. These are a bit premium.
Okay. It's kind of this
okay.
type.
Yeah, I mean like similar, but not very. These are like
Yeah,
premium
similar
ones.
thing.
I think this per day will come up to around 20,000
20,000.
rupees. So I have to.
New structures and the architecture.
Yeah, man. Look at
The
that.
best part I loved is this street light system and the red light system.
Yeah, and mind you, all of these structures are being built for so many centuries before. Let's just say around 500 to 600 years, maybe. Nah, Jan.
What?
All these structures must have been somewhere.
Can't say.
And
No, there are a few buildings that I saw yesterday that they even mentioned maybe the history.
The year of
Yes,
building.
the year of building and all that.
The year of
So yesterday I saw a building that was built in 1835. So still standing, and
These are new structures.
it is a restaurant and it's still functioning as a restaurant.
These are new structures, like,
Okay.
but this building coming is an old structure. That is
Yeah. But I like how they incorporated both the modern and the the antique wala style building. But the thing is, I don't see gaps between buildings, man. No, we don't have alleys. But then, there is no gap between buildings. There's no gap between buildings. There's just they share walls.
continuation of
Yeah,
building.
just like this one, for example. See? So, I don't know, maybe somebody else will make a wall for you and you make
Oh, he's
a wall for somebody else.
this is
Something like that.
Dude.
Who?
Huh? No, he's asking me whether you're tired.
Me?
Yeah. Doing like taking videos of
No.
vlogging.
No. This is something that I always love doing and then telling people about things. Jan, that's why I'm encouraging you to do the same. Jan here wanted to start a YouTube channel. I think he
What's the place we came to eat?
where
Oh no, not Dosa, different. Sorry.
he did a video of him jumping from the plane for a skydive in Dubai. He got amazing videos and amazing pictures and all that, but he's too scared to go online and then show it to the world. He has a lot of things to show you, so maybe the next time you see Jayan, he'll be on a YouTube channel with his videos jumping from everywhere in the world. Huh? So
I have a lot of things.
This
which I
is
have done.
like Middle East vlog.
oh boy,
Adventures.
what is this noise?
Church.
This is church, yeah. What? Yes. So you were saying?
I have done a lot of this thing. Adventures.
Are you up for another adventure now?
Yeah, why not?
So which adventure is that? Cannabis?
It's a closed.
So most of the
Today is
stores,
Sunday.
yeah, most of the stores right now are closed because it's a Sunday. Yet, you still have a lot of people around.
1,000 euros.
My goodness, 3,000 euros. But yeah, bikes are relatively costly. I like the designs, I like the architecture, I like the way the street looks with a lot of design inspiration that you can take from. To this one here. There are parking lots inside, but most of these things are closed right now. Even this one. But the thing is, the beauty is, I don't know if other countries in Europe or maybe other countries in the world do the same. But even when the thing is closed, the shop is closed, you still have all the lights on with and both cameras. Oh yes, these are Hasselblad, man. Oh no, Ico flags, beauty flags. Oh, love it, love it, love it. Nice. Nice. I love these vintage cameras. But I mean, you can see everything is playing. Everything is except that they don't give you any service. Yet the store is more or less like an open. So if you come here when it's closed, you can still see what do they have to sell. There are a few cafes that are open. But even if they close, you can still see what they have, more or less. And
There are a lot of Assam tea and whatever.
Assam tea,
3.5 euros.
Alberti is okay.
3.5 euros.
And what is this doing here? Maybe it's plucking some fruits or something for maintenance, I think. All about the trees and the branches and all that. Colony. Yeah, Balthasar. There's a lot of Middle East flavor right here. And
Turkish coffee and
yeah. And how long are we going, or how far are we going? How long will it take for us to get there? I do not know. I'm not sure. And what is this? Looks like a museum. This is an art. Very interesting art right there. This is also a cafe. Okay. Oh my goodness. Look at this.
pub outside. Inside.
Oh, look at that. Samsung. This is Samsung building, yeah?
Chit chat.
See? Bro? No, wait. Wait. You have cars or something?
Come.
Chalo. Okay. Now we can go. Okay. Look at the alleys. Look at the streets, man. It looks so good. Look at motorcycles. Look at the motorcycles. Wow, bro. So I see very less motorcycles here. Unlike India. Other parts of India, you see a lot of these things. Oh, we have an alien too. So in India, I think most of you have seen that there are a lot of motorcycles, cycles, and all that roaming around, flying on the streets, but not here. I think because people like walking and then let's say walking and then biking. You see, there are e-bikes and all that, but more so we have a lot of these bicycles around, which you can rent. I believe there are a few apps that you can just download and then rent a bike from one destination to another, where you can just place your bike there. Something like that. I'm not too sure because I don't ride a bike myself. I mean, a bicycle. I don't know how to ride a bicycle, but I do ride a bike though. So all of this has some kind of I don't know. I mean, it makes me wonder how people look at that car, man. Live and walk around not using cars that frequent. Hey, what?
There's a university.
Huh?
Look at the streets, look at the trees, man, and how they maintain the trees. Look at that. They built the thing around the trees, man. How thoughtful is that? See? My gosh. And you even have bamboos here. This fencing. Wala bamboos.
Branches of the tree.
Oh, okay, they look like bamboos to me. Okay, I thought I can bring bamboos here now. These are dustbins there where you can throw your cigarettes and all that. And buildings, these are under construction buildings where you have all the, what do you call, the musari, the net and everything. And maybe because it's Sunday we are not seeing any construction going on, but that's a under construction building. Would you like to hold my camera and then talk to people, Jan?
No,
Maybe.
for some time, maybe.
Maybe try a little bit. You'll get the hang of it. So also there's something that I see here. Unlike India and a few parts of India where smoking is prohibited in public places, here you can do so at your own will. What is this? What? Wait, what is this? Look at this, bro. Look at this, bro. Look at this, bro. Look at this. Oh my! Oh my! Look at this, man. Oh, ni pisi macam. Oh, ni. These guys, I think they saw already. That's why they're not so wow. Look at this, man. Look at this. My goodness, yeah. Chaliye. How much time?
Candy wall.
Huh?
Candy wall.
Candy walls. Okay. And how much longer? How much longer? How much longer? Okay. Now it's time for us to cross the bridge. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Nice. I like the vintage vehicles here. We have a law and certain policies in India where 35 years of vehicles, 35 years old vehicles are not allowed to ply anymore on the streets and on the road. But here, there are many vehicles which are around 50, 60 years old and they're still plying around with driving all the way along the streets. And this is a river. What is this river called? You are our tour guide, Jan, for today.
I don't know the name of the river.
Oh my goodness. What if this camera falls down? La gaila.
Every city in Europe, every big city,
Nice, bro.
it's built up on a river.
Like that? How?
The main thing is that the city on river only. Because water is a source, plus water was a transportation mode.
Wow, look at this, man. Oh man, it doesn't look like a bridge to me, but we are on a bridge. Oof. Hey, Shandur, see away, please. Shandur, against that building, getting me the part of a portion of the river also, somewhere like that.
I'll do it. Don't worry. You
Yeah. All right, Giant here will take a picture of me. I'll be like, yeah, bruh. Yeah, bruh. Hey, dude, don't. Done. Thank you. There, from there. There. And people are staring at us, saying, "Are these stupid tourists taking picture everywhere?" But I like the place. So picture to bantai, boss. All right. What else do we have? Oh no. That is a sunset pictures. I can't just do it. Yeah. Let's go. Let's run before. Yes. Yes. Oh, we are here. Almost there. Got ambulance flying around.
Not ambulance, it's a fire brigade.
A fire brigade that? Oh my goodness.
Fire truck.
How do I know? But there are a lot of Volkswagen in this city. And other
Germany
brands
is
as well.
nearby, and next to it, the Volkswagen is a common thing.
Yeah, right.
Volkswagen, BMW, and Mercedes,
Mercedes. Yes.
the Merc cars.
So there are trams all around. So another beautiful thing about Vienna city is that the access to public transportation is very easy. You have transportation. You can travel around every part of the city. Just pay a one-time fee for about a day, a week,
30
maybe 30 days, and
24 hours, 48 hours, 72 hours, 1 week, and 32 days.
yes. So you can pay whatever amount you like.
As per your
However,
convenience.
yeah, as per your convenience. Whoa. So depends on how long are you staying in the city. So the moment you spend, I mean, the moment you pay for that, it's like you have a ticket that is applicable for all the days that you want to travel. Could be a metro, could be a tram, could be a bus. You don't have to pay anything at all. How many times that you get into the bus in a single day? More than 100 times if you want to do
Not
it.
a bus, tram and
Oh, sorry, tram and metros.
metro.
Yes.
Bus, we didn't see.
Yeah, tram and metros. Sorry. And cars here, man. Cars. I'm just in love
The
with cars.
eagle.
Man. Ah, gosh. Look at this, there, bro. Ah, nee.
The old buildings.
Yeah, these are really old buildings, I think. Bro.
But there.
Hey, can we take a picture there? Can we take a picture here? Hey, Shanto, maybe. Shanto. Wait. I'll take a picture of Bajaf here. Ah, yes. Oh, nice. Nice. Well, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. See, you can take something like this way, Haru.
Okay.
Ma. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Another one. 1, 2, 3. Watch off. Space. Horse. Yes.
Tip top. So picture to banta hai boss. Picture to banta hai boss. Nice. I like this. Okay, can we go now? What is this?
This
What
looks
you
like a diplomat building or a government building.
See? That's a Bentley. Ooh. Ooh. And there's so many structures here, man. So many structures here. And the perlok. Kini di jingiaidlynti ke jongi hang ni. Hapo Vienna. Orang bun bagi kue. Dun man kan paring la wapi ka kali kete. Look at that car. Look at that car. Look at that car. Look at that car. Boy. Man. My goodness, bro. Oh, me. That is a Porsche, man. Looks like a Porsche to me. Yeah, is it? Looks like a Porsche to me. Yeah, most probably so. Ah, ni. Pwede sa mga ilok, mahabang kira na naparing na bata jongki. Perlok jongi ke ba? Gibam sutu ya ka. Tin kasi. Tungali akhrang ikaniru na banta. Ban penilang ikiwiru kalong kumno ni kari long way mo.
But there. If you want to do service, they can bring down the things and everything. Wire and all. For the service.
Oh, okay. And one of the best part that I see, which is very surprising, is the electrical cables. I don't know if everything is done from underneath or what, from underneath the sewage. Hey, do you think all the electrical cable being done on the ground or what?
Yeah, it's up also, no?
Yeah, up, but this
Systematic of metro.
exactly very systematic, and I don't see a lot of wires everywhere though
It's underground.
on the ground.
The world's best sewage system is in
In-
Europe,
Uh-huh.
and there is also France and Paris.
All right. And what best do we have here in Vienna?
I don't know about much part of this Vienna thing. Right.
Okay, so we are here. This is our first time. All of us. It's the first time for all of us here. But we don't have anybody to show us around. That's why we're just exploring the city as it is, the way we think we know it. And Sudeep here maybe is the best person to ask for opinions. What do you think, Sudeep? Huh? What do you know about the city?
I don't know anything about the city, but I'm just exploring.
But this is a bike lane again.
So if the crosses are red, this sign now it's bike and walking both.
Oh, bike and walking both. Oh,
So
shoot!
you have to be careful.
Shoot!
Always walk on your
Honey,
right.
I didn't hear that.
Right, not on your left.
Yeah, and that is a tram. Yes, so that is also another thing that I found. I've been through a couple of videos on YouTube regarding how to behave and how to carry yourself when you're in Vienna, which is always keep yourself to the right side of the lane that you're walking, like this one, and then you allow, by doing so, you allow the people who are coming from the other direction to come from the left, and those who want to walk faster than you, or maybe just like a bike that passes through, that overtook us just now, can do so from the left. Yes, and here, my friends, is a legendary motorcycle, a vintage TDR motorcycle, Yamaha. Love it. My goodness. Oh, look at the car. Look at the car, bro. What? Nice. 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 I just love whatever is happening here, man. I'm in love with the city. And yeah, one thing for sure. You know, every time when we travel around, this is the first time for me going out of the country into a foreign land like this. But every time I go other parts, outside of the state, you tend to feel judged. You tend to feel, being discriminated for so many reasons, because maybe the locals have a lot of have a lot of things to say and do, maybe, and maybe they don't really like you being there. But also, there's something that we call, I don't know if of being what do you call, you just feel out of place in a different land, or in a place which doesn't belong to you, in a new place. And there is a lot of insecurity around, especially when you don't have somebody, especially when you don't have a local with you who will take you around. Look at those cars. What? Oh god, I tend to get distracted every time. But yes, so there are a lot of those things happening when you travel elsewhere in the country, in India, and other parts where you feel out of place, you don't feel welcome. I'm not saying everywhere, but there are some places where you feel like that. But here, you don't feel that way. People just don't care who you are, where you come from. You just as people as, you're just people at the end of the day. As long as you stick to your lane, as long as you do not bother them, just like I did just moments before, where I mistakenly took a video footage of those girls walking. Nobody gonna say anything about you. Nobody gonna come and say things to you, that you are a tourist, that you look different, your height is different, your color is different. No, I've seen people from all over the country walking freely here, and Vienna has the name of being one of the most livable city here in Europe, which is very, very interesting. And I feel safe. I just miss my kids but we all love it here. Looks like Giant is not does not want to go home anymore.
I want to build a second home here.
Yeah, and he's looking for a way to set up his business
Ways
here.
I have lot of ways I have.
Oh my goodness.
Our event.
Yes, this is the event that we have. It's called Vienna Up, the Startup Festival. So we've been chosen by, is it the Startup India or something?
No, Prime Meghalaya.
Prime Meghalaya? Okay.
With the embassy.
Embassy of Austria, yes. So, Embassy of Austria. So we, this is an initiative by the Austrian government. It's a startup festival where countries
When I was
from across the world come together. I mean, startups from different countries come together here in Vienna from the 8th to the 16th of May, where they come and then share ideas, connect with buyers and sellers and investors. So similarly, we were selected from India. 12 of us from Meghalaya have been selected, and then we are here now to attend the event and then explore more possibilities in collaborating and partnering, and then get more, more knowledge into the business world, into the startup ecosystem here, and take back home the most, the most valuable knowledge that you could gain from meeting people here. But but we can just stay here. I mean, we can be here just for about a week or so. Yet these are paid toilets, paid wala toilet or what? I don't know. But if we, huh? Oh yes. But always walk on the right. But you need, but you need to be here, connect with other entrepreneurs and all that, so that you can get the best out of what is happening in these few days. And we will be here for a few more days. This is just the second day, and there's so much to see, so much to show you guys. There is also a nightlife here. Sunday is not happening. I don't think there's much happening, but it's just second day. But I already feel like home. This is what the city has to offer. If you are here, or if you plan to visit any country in Europe, I think Austria is something which you can start with. And from Austria, and from Austria, particularly Vienna, you can then extend your journey, your trip to other parts and other city in Austria, and then maybe to Prague, to Germany, to Prague and few places in Germany, and these places where you only need one visa, which is Schengen visa here. And that's all I have to say. And we have reached a destination, and these guys are the 3 idiots. and we are here at the event. This is is this the Vienna Up event also, or what? No. And the sun is setting, and I think it's almost, what time is it now?
almost 8:40.
Okay, almost 8:22, 25. Now, one very important thing. If you are here in Vienna, you need good shoes, good walking shoes. Not good looking shoes, but good walking shoes. Because if you don't have a good pair of shoes, you'll have cramps, because it will be very difficult for you to walk around. You might as well take the tram or maybe the metro. But if you don't walk, you'll not experience anything here in Vienna, because it's only when we walk. I haven't taken you to the alleys over there, a few things out there, and other sightseeing stuff. But those comes, maybe I can show you in another video. Just comment down below if you want me to show all those. But right now, this is something that I just want to show you a glimpse of what Vienna is and how the culture here is. And my God, I thought so. This is a tram. Yes. Okay. My God, I thought that the venue is already here, but it is not. Oh my goodness. How long have I taken the video? Oh, it's already 60 minutes. It's already an hour. My gosh. And I may run out of battery or may run out of space anytime now. But I'll just continue to shoot and see how far do we reach this camera. Okay, I'm tired. Only look at the moon, look at the moon, look at the moon. Ooh, love it. Love it. Lovely moon, lovely moon. Ani Qatar kampat siap udah kasih. You know, see it's almost, I think it's 8:30 now.
Yeah.
No? Almost 8:30. And the sun is almost setting down. And yeah. So see, we got a lot of cars behind me, man. These cars are very, very nice looking cars. Dude, people here are rich, yeah. Yes. I think you may even have a question by now. You must be asking me in the comment section, what about the what do you call that? The cost of living here in Vienna. I'm not sure how to calculate all those because we're not staying on rent. We're staying at a hotel. I can give you an estimated amount of, oh, that's a unicycle there. E-bike. But I can tell you for sure, when it comes to, let's just say food that you have to spend. How much did you spend today for food today? Yeah,
Just spend like $10 to $15. 10 to 15 euros.
euro, right?
Yeah.
So you can have your food for about 10 to 15 euro, just one time, maybe a lunch or maybe a dinner. So 10 to 15 euro may come to about 1400 or so Indian rupees. So that is for one meal. If you go for street food like I did just moments ago for my lunch, a few hours ago for my lunch, it cost me around 9 euros with a bottle of juice and a hot dog, a big hot dog. I mean, you can still live with that in about, the hot dog cost me around 4.5 euros, which is 450-ish rupees, let's just say. Also, you have drinks that starts, Coke and all those things starts from about 2.5 to about 3 euros, and it gets costlier as your choice changes maybe. This is the tram. You don't walk on the tram's way because it may come here anytime. Okay, and then the hotel can cost you somewhere between about 100 euros to about between 100 to about 200 euros. So those are a few things that maybe I can share with you. Maybe you can just calculate then. Yes, street food can cost you a bit lower, but then if you want to check into a restaurant and then have some restaurant food and all that, it will cost you between 15 to about 20 to about 30 euros or something. So this is what you usually have. But comparatively with the other countries here in the Europe, I'm told, I've not been to other parts of Europe, but I'm told that comparatively this is a much cheaper city to be here for your vacation and for your sightseeing with your families, your friends and your loved ones. And now my legs are aching and I want to reach the place now. Where are we? Are we lost again?
No, yeah.
So this morning we got lost and then ended up in a river where we saw a castle by the river.
After this thing we will reach.
Okay, this looks like a cross section here. I don't know what cross section is this one. Whew. Isuzu. There's a private bus with a party happening inside. I'm not too sure. Why? I mean, it's illegal in our place to have black doors, black tinted windows like that. But
Because
here,
of what? Because of what?
because of what? Because of people, man, drinking inside the bus.
No, because of that Meghalaya case.
Uh huh. Because of the hijack case.
The kind of cases what have in this Pahalgam and a lot of things.
Yeah, maybe, yeah. Yeah, but it makes sense. Maybe here they have a different provision for certain vehicles who need certain things. Now let's just run because this bus is waiting for us to run. Okay, let's just do this. Wait, there's a scooter coming in right there, and we also walk from here. There's a hotel, a Mac, MC Cafe. If you come from Shillong, from Meghalaya, and maybe India as a whole, if you're from India and you see all these things happening here, if it is your first time, I don't know about you, but for me, I feel like I'm in a movie set. I feel like everywhere I take a look, if everywhere I look around, looks like
We are on the way to reach our destination.
oh yes, yeah, that's the place.
We have some wine here.
So everywhere I look, it looks like, you know, a scene from a Hollywood movie. Like Sudeep here as one of the main actors, and Jeff here like the heroine and the actress, and this guy Giant, he's like Andre the Giant, like the guy who can take down anyone. So you also have all the scooters right there. I don't know how to ride a scooter. I haven't tried renting a scooter because I'm on a budget. This is a government sponsored program. Oh, I totally forgot to tell you about that. I got distracted. Yes, so we are here. We were chosen by Prime Hub Meghalaya, working hand in hand with the planning department of Meghalaya, and this is a sponsored trip by the government. So we are on a budget, ladies and gentlemen. On a budget in the sense that you don't have anything much planned for your trip, but you're just here for the event, and when the event is done, you just go home and nothing else happening. That's why we can't afford a guide also. Oh, this is an e-vehicle, and the guy is charging the vehicle from here. Oh, that's so nice, yeah? See? Oh, now I know. So these are charging points, yeah? I've been seeing a lot of those things in the I've been seeing a lot of those things around, but I didn't know that those are, what do you call, charging points. Come on. We gotta cross. We gotta get to the other side of the road. Alright. Now, this is the place where we're supposed to be. Whew. I like this. Look at that. Wait. There's nothing much happening here now. See, there's no people around, all that. No, but unlike yesterday, today is much.
Sunday.
Yeah,
One day.
people. We don't have much people around. Honey, I'm tired. My legs are paining. You need good. Not just good legs, but good shoes also. And these are pine trees, just like the ones we have back at home. They look nice. It reminds me of home. It reminds me of the pine trees near my place where we used to grow up with, climbing up and down during our childhood days. And this is the main place where we are having the event. It's called Vienna, the Startup Festival, organized by Vienna, or by the government of Vienna. So this is one of the main attractions here in Vienna. I'm not too sure what the name of this church is, but this is something where you need to come and where we need to be at the moment. And we are here, and most of our team members are already here. We left them about 1.5 hours ago, and we thought that we will reach here. Yeah, we will reach here earlier, but here they are. They came with a metro. I think they're already here, but where are they? Can't see them. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are here. This is the Vienna Art Festival. This is where we are supposed to be, and for the next 1 week we will be here, exploring possibilities in terms of getting connection with the entrepreneurs from across the globe. I'm also here to support the entrepreneurs as well, to to give them all these videos, taking videos and photos and all that for all these entrepreneurs here who are coming from the state. But also I'm here for myself too, getting a lot of insight from people from the same industry here in Vienna. So that's it. Thank you. We've reached to the end of our destination and we're running out of batteries and space also. So see you in the next video. Lots of love from Vienna. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Share, like, subscribe.